Look at this question. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. We have to find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. You have studied the basic things. Last year you have studied about x-axis and y-axis. If you don't remember, I will explain that. Let it be x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. You know that any point on x-axis, if you take any point on x-axis, what happens? Its y-coordinate will be 0. For example, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, etc. All these points lie on x-axis. So if you take any point on x-axis, its y value will be 0, studied last year. And what about y-axis? If you take any point on y-axis, its x value will be 0. For example, the points like 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, etc. all are lying on y-axis. So please remember this. If you take any point on x-axis, the y value will be 0. And if you take any point on y-axis, x value will be 0. You must memorize this. So our question is, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5, -2, 9. This is a rough picture. 2, 5 and -2, 9. We have 2 points. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. We have to find this point. Where is the point which is equidistant from A and B? In the question it is mentioned that this point lies on x-axis. If you take point on x-axis, it will be its y-coordinate will be 0, right? So let us assume that the required point having the coordinates x, 0. Why I have taken x, 0? Because if you take any point on x-axis, y value will be 0. That is 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, this format. So the point on x-axis is assumed as x, 0. If we find out x, we got the answer. Okay. So let this point be C. So it is given that AC equal to BC. C is equidistant from A and B. AC equal to BC given in the question. So let us use the distance formula. What is AC then? What is AC? AC, let us look at A and C. AC will be x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Distance formula. So AC will be x minus 2 all square, x minus 2 all square plus 0 minus 5 all square. 0 minus 5 all square. Using distance formula, AC is written. The next is I want BC. Root of BC, again use distance formula. The order of the subtraction is not important. I mean x minus of minus 2 or minus 2 minus x. The order of the subtraction is not important. So I am going to find out BC. Let me take this as x2 y2 and this as x1 y1. So x2 minus x1 all square will be x minus of minus 2 all square. X minus of minus 2 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square will be 0 minus 9 all square. 0 minus 9 all square. Now let us square both sides. The square root will be removed. we get x minus 2 all square plus this is minus 5 square, correct? Minus 5 square is 25. Right side, again the square root is removed both sides. Squaring both sides, the square root is removed. This is x plus 2 all square, correct? Minus of minus is plus. This is x plus 2 all square. Plus, this is minus 9 all square. Minus 9 all square is 81. So let us square both sides. Here it is a minus b all square form, correct? A minus b all square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Have you understood that? X minus 2 all square. A square will be x square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2. 4x. B square will be 4. 25 is equal to. Right side it is a plus b all square. You know the expansion. X square plus 4x plus 4 means a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 81 is there. What will be the next step? X square and x square cancel both sides. Left side minus 4x is there plus 4 plus 25 will be 29 is equal to, right side there is 4x and here 4 plus 81 will be 85. Now you have to rearrange it. This minus 4x to be taken to the other side or 4x to be taken to the left hand side. You can decide. 4x is taken to the left hand side and 29 to the right hand side. So minus 4x you will get. Minus 4x is equal to, right side will be 85 minus 29. Just I have done the rearrangement. So minus 8x is equal to, what is this 85 minus 29? 36. Is that correct? You can check it. No, it is not 36. 85 minus 29 is what? Let me find out. $56, correct? So it is 56. So x equal to 56 divided by minus 8, it is minus 7. So the point C is x comma 0. Understood? X comma 0 or minus 7 comma 0 is the coordinates of C. Okay.